The toilet seat has hidden buttons. Thanks to them, you'll get rid of contaminants and those yellow urine stains. When you're tidying up the bathroom, cleaning the toilet seat is always problematic. Dirt accumulates not only on the seat itself, but also underneath it. In the area where the seat is attached to the toilet. Here, you can also see yellow stains, and this is a hard-to-reach area. You'll soon learn how to clean such a seat. The stains will disappear. Everything will be clean and disinfected. Cleaning the seat from time to time is easier under the shower or in the bathtub. Then you can easily clean it. You can even scrub the nooks and crannies underneath the seat. If we remove the seat, we can also clean the place where it attaches to the toilet. It's impossible to do this on a daily basis. Only after removing the seat will you notice how much dirt there is here. And if you also remove those metal covers, you'll be even more horrified. But how to remove a toilet seat? It turns out that every seat has buttons that allow you to do this. Depending on the type of toilet, these can be two separate buttons like here. Each one at a different attachment point. Sometimes it can be one button in the middle. See how easy it is to remove the seat when you press them. Now all you have to do is take it under the shower or into the bathtub. Dissolve a Corega tabs capsule in a bottle of water. It's the best product for cleaning yellow stains on the toilet seat. Corega tabs destroy bacteria, whiten, and remove discoloration. This is all your toilet seat needs. With this spray, you'll also clean the place where the seat attaches to the toilet. Just spray it and everything comes off. The toilet will shine. The yellow stains and dirt will disappear in a few minutes, and you'll enjoy a clean toilet. The yellow stains on the toilet seat will disappear within minutes. The toilet will be white again without using harmful detergents. Do you have such stains on the underside of the seat? Many people struggle to remove them. They form due to the deposition of urine and water droplets during flushing. Urine stains the seat, and the limescale formed by the water can initially be invisible, then gradually take on a slightly yellowish color. If you clean the toilet and seat with strong detergents, its surface may be damaged and more susceptible to various stains. But there's a trick to it. Just make a homemade paste. The stains and discolorations will vanish. The toilet will be white again. This method saves me in such situations. I don't have to replace the seat with a new one yet. Take baking soda and pour it into a container. Add some hydrogen peroxide to it, just enough to create a paste. Mix it. It's best to use an old toothbrush for this. It's perfect for applying this substance to stains. The baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste should be thick enough to stick to the stains. Leave it on the toilet for about 10 minutes. During this time, the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide will dissolve the stains. Then just remove everything, wipe it with paper, and you're done. Pour the contents of this bottle into the toilet. It will be clean and shiny like new. The dirt will disappear. If you also enjoy cleanliness, everything properly disinfected and smelling fresh, then this method is for you. I'll give you a very simple but effective recipe for a mixture that will clean the toilet, sink, and tiles. You'll also get rid of the unpleasant smell from the toilet. Everything in the bathroom will shine and smell pleasant. Pour 1 liter of water into a bowl. The water should be at room temperature. Add 150 milliliters of any dishwashing liquid. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda absorbs unpleasant odors, softens water. It is slightly abrasive, so it effectively removes stains and dirt. It also has bactericidal properties. Also, add 3 teaspoons of hair bleach. It's an oxidizer, but stronger than 3% hydrogen peroxide. It effectively whitens and removes stains. It works great for cleaning ceramic toilets and sinks. Add half a cap of fabric softener. This will make the bathroom smell pleasant. Pour everything into any bottle. I'll use a bottle from a drink and make a hole in the cap, but you can use a spray bottle. Spray the inside of the toilet and scrub. You don't need to use store-bought products. This mixture will last you a long time. Also, clean the sink. Use gloves because of the bleach used. You can also clean the floor and wall tiles with this solution. Everything will be clean and shiny. Discover the secrets of the toilet brush that you probably didn't know about. Unscrew the brush and pour some liquid into it. By cleaning the toilet, you'll immediately have a brush with a liquid that will clean the inside of the toilet bowl. But that's not the only hidden function of such a brush. There's also a brilliant reason why it's worth using such a brush to scrub the floors in the bathroom. Such a brush is perfect for this purpose. We're not talking about the toilet brush you use every day. We only use that brush for cleaning the toilet. But there's a reason why it's worth having a second brush, a new one. Such a brush with stiff bristles has another good use. Prepare a container and pour baking soda into it. Add a small amount of water. Mix the baking soda with water to create a paste. Baking soda is a slightly abrasive substance. It cleans stains, gently whitens, kills mold, and absorbs moisture. Dip the new toilet brush into the baking soda solution, apply it to the tiles, focusing on the grout lines. Begin gently scrubbing them. The baking soda will slowly start to work, dissolving dirt, stains, and killing mold if it's on the grout lines. The brush with such stiff bristles will perfectly remove all that dirt. Leave the soda on the grout lines for some time, then wipe the tiles with a cloth. After they dry, you'll notice the difference between the grout lines. You clean it with soda and the rest. You can see the difference for yourself. You can see which grout lines were dirty before cleaning and which ones are now clean. And it's all thanks to baking soda and the toilet brush. Hydraulics, don't talk about it. Just 2 ingredients are enough to get rid of the annoying problem. Take a bar of ordinary soap. It should weigh around 150 grams. It's good if it has a pleasant scent. Grate it on a grater with large holes. Soap has many properties, but I'm sure you don't know about this one yet. This recipe is its secret function. After grating, soap flakes will be formed. They have strong cleansing and antibacterial properties. Transfer the grated soap to a pot. Measure out 150 milliliters of floor cleaning liquid. Pour it into the pot and mix everything. Turn on the heat and constantly stir until the soap melts. Make sure no lumps form. When a uniform mass is formed, remove the pot from the stove. Prepare a rectangular container. Line its bottom with plastic wrap. Do this carefully. Also, cover the sides of the container with the wrap. When the mixture cools slightly, pour it into the container. Leave it overnight. During this time, it will solidify and acquire extraordinary properties. Remove the bar from the box by pulling on the wrap. Then, using a knife, cut it into 1 centimeter strips. Transfer them to a plastic container and take them to the bathroom. These 2 ingredients, combined, have disinfecting, cleaning, and adhesive properties. This makes them self-adhesive cubes that clean the toilet. Just apply them to the bottom of the toilet bowl. They won't come off when flushing. Water causes them to release active foam, which cleans the toilet with every flush. Not only do they smell good, but they also disinfect the toilet. Thanks to them, the toilet shines with cleanliness all the time, not just on cleaning day.